The Holy Stone 249 GPS drone is an exceptional drone designed for adults with a 4K camera, offering the ideal solution for hassle-free flying without the need for FAA or remote ID registration. Equipped with three 1500 mAh intelligent batteries, this drone ensures an impressive total of 60 minutes of flight time per trip. The drone features advanced connection technology, allowing you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable for real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The drone is equipped with a 1/3-inch CMOS GalaxyCore sensor and a 4K 85 degrees wide-angle camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app, capturing stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos. Thanks to Holy Stone's most advanced remote control system and powerful brushless motors, the drone boasts a maximum transmission range of 10,000 feet. The drone employs the latest GPS positioning system, automatically returning when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or when one key return is pressed, and features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest enhance the flying experience.